Curious about the different types of loans available to home buyers? If you're buying a dream home, your first step should be evaluating all your mortgage options. But if this is your first time buying a home, you may not know what types of mortgages you could potentially qualify for. So it's important to know all your options beforehand. That way you can find the right fit for your financial situation. This is Nathan Clark with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty here in New England. In this video, I'll cover 4 types of home loans, including some lesser known options. If you like more real estate advice like this, check us out at nathanclarkteam.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Now let's get started. First, we'll talk about conventional loans. Conventional loans are the most popular type of mortgage. Conventional loans refer to essentially any home loan that isn't backed by the government. These are loans that are available from private lenders like banks or credit unions. The exact terms of these loans vary from lender to lender, so it's worth speaking to several banks deciding on the right fit. Next, let's take a look at U.S. government-backed loans. First up is Federal Housing Administration loans, or FHA home loans. They are intended to help lower-income home buyers break into the housing market. They have less strict qualifications compared to conventional loans and allow home buyers to make lower down payments. I would say about 80% of the buyers we see are FHA buyers. But you need to understand, because the loan requirements are lower, they're seen as a higher risk for the lender. For this reason, home buyers who take out an FHA loan can expect to pay a little higher interest rate. It also means it will be necessary to purchase private mortgage insurance, or PMI, to ease the lender's risk, which can contribute to a higher monthly payment. FHA loans are available from any lender that has been approved by the FHA, which is pretty much 99% of lenders. Another type of government loan comes from the United States Department of Agriculture, the USDA. The USDA offers home loans as part of its Rural Development Guaranteed Home Loan Program. It's a mouthful. It's from the government. As the name suggests, these loans apply to home buyers seeking their dream in rural areas. There are 3 USDA loan programs: loan guarantees, direct loans, and loans specifically designed for home improvement. The USDA loan guarantees are available at any participating lender and allow the home buyer to get a home loan with low interest rates and as well as low down payment. The direct loan program comes directly from the USDA itself rather than a third-party lender. Of course, the exact loan terms will depend on the specific area in which the home is being purchased and the area that the person has to qualify, not just the buyer. And it is limiting. You can't make too much money. It's for low income. So if you make too much money, whatever the threshold is now, if you're over that, you won't qualify for the USDA loan. It's really tailored, we find a lot of times, by each buyer. It's not the fastest loan. It takes a little longer, but it is great when it works. Lastly, there are home loans offered by the Department of Veterans Affairs. Veterans and our current service members are eligible for home loans through VA. 3 loans are offered through private lenders and provide home buyers with lower interest rates, little to no down payments, and even lower closing costs. The VA offers several different types of loan programs, including 1 for home purchases, 2 for refinancing, and 1 for renovations, and a dedicated program for Native American veterans. It's important to note that not every home is eligible for a VA home loan. A VA-approved appraisal will need to evaluate the property to make sure it meets the right criteria, but it's a very similar process to an FHA loan. So a lot of people hate on the VA loans. I think it's stricter. The only thing I see a lot of times with VA loans that makes it a little different is they really picky on insulation in the attic, which is not a big fix if, for the most part, if it needs to be some insulation laid down, and hand railings. I don't know why, but they love hand railings in the VA, and sometimes we have to add hand railings to stairs that don't have them, just a couple steps. But the VA notes on that, and that's probably the most common thing. So let's discuss a couple less common home loans. These include a type of loan called jumbo loans. A less common type of home loan is a jumbo loan. These are extended for expensive luxury properties, and their exact terms are determined by the lender, and each lender is different. Jumbo loans are harder to qualify for because the home buyer is borrowing a significant amount from the lender. For this reason, buyers will need to have a great credit score, a good debt-to-income ratio, and show that they have stable employment and cash reserves. Another uncommon home loan is an interest-only mortgage. With this type of loan, the home buyer only pays interest on the home for a set amount of time, and after that initial period ends, they must pay interest and principal. This loan option is a good idea for home buyers who plan to refinance later down the line or just need a bit more time to save up before they start making their full monthly payments. If you're planning to buy your dream home, your first step should be evaluating your loan options. Don't be afraid to shop around and visit multiple lenders. Just like you would walk into the first house that you want to buy and buy it, the first house you see and buy it, you shouldn't be just meeting the first lender and choosing that lender. Look around, see what they have to offer. If you need help finding a good lender, one of the best places to start is by asking an experienced realtor like myself that has connections in the local area. So why should you work with me and the rest of the team at the Nathan Clark team? We've served New England and Rhode Island for over 21 years and have the experience and knowledge necessary to help you make the right decision and find the best property out there when you're buying or selling real estate. Call me today so we can find out what's most important to you and create a plan together. If you want more information on home loans or to learn more about working with my team here in New England, feel free to give me a call at 401-288-3557. That's 401-288-3557. Or visit NathanClarkTeam.com. I'm Nathan Clark, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.